Good morning, everyone.
Hello. Oh.
Hello. Are you hear me? Okay. Good morning, everyone. Respected Mr. Rajendraji Kondeji, all participants and members of organizing committee. First of all, I heartily welcome you all in this event. Wazir, this is the first national chess competition that jointly organized by Jolnik Societies, Bhamati College of Pharmacy, and Pune District Chess Association. And this competition is limited to pharmacy bona fide students. Friends, very good infrastructures, equipped laboratories, library, computer centers, etc., and hostel facilities. Friends, starting from this year and every year, chess competition will be arranged to celebrate birth ceremony of Dr. Honorable Ajit Dada Pawar, Deputy Chief Minister, Government of Maharashtra, and International Chess Day. This year, due to the Corona-19 pandemic situation, we will be arranging this competition on online module only. Next year onwards, we will conduct competition by offline system subject to the pandemic situation. Participants, every sport has the advantage over the physical and mental conditions of human beings, and chess may help us that sharpen our mind skills, enjoy the games, and reward ourselves the positive emotions, travel around the world with the participants of different tournaments, get new friends, and like that. In my opinion, chess is a combination of sports, scientific thinking, and friends. For this today's Wazir competition, around more than 160 participants were registered for tournaments, and I wish them for success. All the best. Thank you.
Now I request Mr. Rajendraji Konde to express his views, thoughts on this occasion.
Good morning to all. Good morning to all, specifically Principal Baramati College of Pharmacy, Jolnik Society, Baramati College of Pharmacy, Mr. Dr. Rajendra Patil, and organizer Sri Kishan Baukar sir, who has taken a lot of efforts to make this tournament successful. I welcome all the participants of the tournament, and I came to know that more than 150 participants are there. So it is a good number, and this tournament is only limited to pharmacy students only. And first of all, this tournament is organized because on the occasion of our beloved leader Ajit Dada Pawar, Deputy Minister of Maharashtra State, and International Chess Day. So I think this Baramati College of Pharmacy has chosen the right occasion for this tournament. I wish for this tournament great success, and at chess, as all of you know, that India is a very powerful nation on the world screen. Last time India jointly won World Chess Olympiad, and many grandmasters are emerging from India. As all of you know, our world champion, 5 times world champion Vishwanathan Anand is still playing, and the next World Olympiad is scheduled to be held next month, and he is captaining our team with all the other players like Vidit Gujarati, Adiban, and also in women's section, Konuru Hampi is doing well on the international circuit, and India is a force to be reckoned on the world circuit. So this game is indigenous, as all of you know. We should be proud of this. This game is very different. This game is directly related to your academics. There is no game that is directly related to academics. Various researchers has found that if you play chess regularly, you will be good in your academics in whatever field you have. Scientific researches are there. So I will suggest everybody to play chess, whether it is competitive or non-competitive. So to sharpen your mind, lot of benefits are there to play chess, and I will not go into all the benefits, but the uh, main benefits which I can call that chess can increase the foresightness, chess can increase your confidence, chess can sharpen your brain, chess can give you confidence in the life. Chess is very much related to life. Chess teaches how to live in life. Chess teaches how to perform and how to behave in your future life. And I am glad that Belinox Society, Baramati College of Pharmacy has taken a lot of efforts to organize this event under the leadership of Dr. Rajendra Patil and under the great passion of Shri Kishan Baukar sir. So I am happy that more than 150 players are there, and I will hope that they will compete in this rapid kind of tournament. Due to the pandemic, I know that there are some limitations. We cannot play offline chess, so we have to play online chess, and we have found a nice structure for the online chess. And I know our chief arbiter Pawan Rathi will organize this tournament very nicely, and you will enjoy the tournament. Chess is the only game which nowadays can play on online. In this pandemic, we have a distinct advantage on other sports also. Lot of tournaments per day are played online, and thousands of players are enjoying chess every day. So this is a right opportunity to you to excel in this game of chess. We say always that the cricket might be the king of games, but chess is the game of kings. Our kings were earlier used to play chess and have their strategies on the board, war strategies on the board. So, not taking your time, first of all, I will thank you to Belinox Society for inviting me to inaugurate this prestigious competition. Dr. Rajendra Patil sir, Sri Krishna Baukar sir, I am thankful to you, and you are taking a lot of efforts to disseminate chess at the grassroots level, which is our goal. Pune District Chess Association always sees that this game should not be limited to the metropolitan cities. It should go to the small towns also, and this is one step further for disseminating the chess knowledge to the taluka levels. Lastly, all the best to all the participants participating in this tournament. All the best. Thank you.
As Rajendra ji just mentioned, This game of chess is very important for improvement of your academics. Now, as some quote says, that life is like a game of chess which changes with every move. Okay, so it is just you and your opponent at the board, and you are trying to prove something. This game of chess requires strong memory, concentration, imagination, and strong willpower to become a chess player. And these are the qualities which are required for to become. So strong memory, concentration, and imagination, as well as strong willpower, which is required to become a good chess player. Chess is chess is an art of analysis, and this all properties are required to be a good academic. I mean, for every student to be good in his academics. And I think Pune District Chess Association is trying their best to inculcate these properties in all the students right from the age 7, I think, because PDCA is organizing events or competitions for under 7, I think. Am I right, sir?
Yes.
7, 9, 11, 13, 15, up to 19, and then open for girls and as well as for boys. So we are very thankful to the efforts taken by the PDCA. Every day they are doing this, and improving the students' mind power so that they can prosper in their life also. So we are very thankful for Rajendra ji as well as Pawan ji, Pawan Kumar sir, who is here and providing all the facilities, because due to this pandemic, we are organizing this event online. So whatever the you can say platform as well as all the help required to organize this event online, Mr. Pawan Rathi is providing us this support. Now, as far as today's event is concerned, so for all the participants, I will just summarize what they have to do. If they have not registered yet, just open leechess.org, open your account, then log in and join the Wajir team by clicking on join button. Then enter the password PR@Wajir #35000. There are 11 rounds which are all mandatory, and after every participant has to play all these 11 rounds. You will get 1 minute break after every round. Every round will be of 7 minutes, and after this you will be able to see the result. The top 7 participants or performers, they will contact us. We have given the contact details in all the WhatsApp groups. The first prize for today's event is 10,000. Second prize is of 7,000. Third is 5,000. Fourth prize is 4,000. Fifth prize 3,000. Sixth prize 2,000, and seventh prize is 1,000. So I wish all the best to all the participants, as well as I'm very thankful to Rajendra Konde for being here on this inaugural ceremony, as well as I'm thankful to Mr. Pawan Rathi for organizing and helping and providing all the technical supports for today's event. The main event will start at 1 p.m. So I request all the participants to log in by 12:30 or 12:45 p.m. today. And this event will be organized every year in association with Pune District's Chess Association. So we will be in association with Rajendra ji every year and try to contribute in their efforts to improve everyone's life or the way of life. So with the permission of principal sir, I declare that this inaugural event is completed. So I thank once again all the participants as well as Rajendra ji as well as Pawan ji for being here. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.